What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on this Cessna 172. The engine was recently overhauled. Today we're going to be doing a 25-hour oil change. Let's get started. First thing first, let's start by removing the cowling. Next, we find the oil drain plug and the oil filter. Let's remove the plug and drain the oil. All right, let's remove that filter. Alright, here we cut the safety wire, we loosen that oil filter, and we let the residue oil drain. There's the filter. Now we can go ahead and start cleaning up. Let's grab a new filter, make sure it's the same size. We record the tach hour, and we're clear to reinstall the filter and the plug. Even though this engine was recently overhauled, we will still inspect for any leaks, any loose hardwares, or any other discrepancies. Alright guys, according to the manual, this Cessna takes 8 quarts of oil.
Perfect.
Alright, now that we finished with the oil change, let's do a quick inspection of the lights, the flight controls, and the airframe. Alright, now we can put the cowlings back together and get her ready for flight.
Right's clear, left's clear. Clear prop.